किसको? शाहरुख को बोला ना। No bites, no bites.
देखो ये साल मेरे 5 पिक्चर रिलीज़ हुए तो अवार्ड में शायद से मिल सकता है मुझे तो एक्चुअली आई एम हियर टू सी कि कौन जीतेगा ये साल बेस्ट डेब्यू क्योंकि मेरा फर्स्ट अवार्ड यहाँ मिला था।
लोगों का रिएक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा है। अभी ट्रेलर पसंद आया है। जैसे हम उम्मीद करते हैं अगर ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है तो उम्मीद ही वैसे ही होती है कि लोगों को पिक्चर भी पसंद आएगी। सी it's always a pleasure working with Sanjay sir, but sometimes it's opportunities let him work with others also, and I'm sure we'll work the other projects together. Hello.
Yes, I finished shooting for Bahubali 2. It is definitely going to be bigger and better for you guys. I am sure you won't be disappointed.
He's come. He'll come back. He'll come back. He needs to go backstage. He's coming back. Honestly, it's my first award function that I'm attending in Bollywood. So I'm actually very nervous because I haven't been here on this platform before. But I'm very, very excited. It's something that I've grown up watching. I'm an ardent TV watcher. And normally New Year's पे चलते थे ये सारे shows, so I remember bringing in many New Year's, watching a lot of award functions. I feel very honoured that I'm a part of it.
Of course, बहुत excited हूँ. In fact, demonetization की वजह से भी I think film is still doing well. It has recovered its principal amount, and I'm very happy that a lot of people have also liked it, and there are people who have not liked it, but I think every film has a mixed review. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि लोगों को जो थ्रिलर है उसका जो थ्रिल पार्ट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. पीपल आर अप्रिशिएटिंग माई वर्क, एंड फॉर मी देयर इज़ नथिंग मोर एक्साइटिंग देन दिस, एंड डेफिनेटली आगे के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मेहनत तो करनी ही है. और सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ मोर फिल्म्स एंड डू बेटर वर्क दैट आई कैन.
You see, what I love in award is the thrill, the excitement of new people, new talent coming out, making such a wonderful films, doing a wonderful job. When they get award, I'm reminded of my younger age, and I really come here to bless them. I enjoy this is more of a festival and a festivity of the film fraternity, and I really love it. There should be more award, and newcomer must win. Maximum new talent must come.
His pictures.
Where is it?
This is right next. Right at this marker.
I think let him speak about it.
I'm very proud to announce that, within a month, this year will be over, this month, in a few days, and next year, early next year, Neil loses his bachelorhood. Neil is getting married in February sometime. I'm extremely proud and very blessed, feeling very thrilled. We welcome Rukmini to our family very lovingly.
How are you guys? Good? सब शौक हो गए कि ये मैं कहाँ से आ गई। एक्चुअली आई लैंडेड येस्टरडे और आज मैंने कॉफ़ी विद करण की भी शूटिंग की और स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड्स भी थे, सो आई हैड टू कम। परिणीति एक मेरे लिए सरप्राइज ट्रिब्यूट दे रही है, सो आई वांटेड टू कम एंड सी दैट। एंड मैंने इंडियन रेड कार्पेट इतने सालों से, इतने दिनों से नहीं किया, मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं बड़ी एक्साइटेड थी इंडियन कपड़े पहन के एक रेड कार्पेट में आने के लिए। द फिल्म रिलीजेस इन मे एंड वी आर इन November, December when the trailer released. So keep watching. There's a lot more coming up. Is all I'll say. जी हाँ, मैं 2 फिल्में करने वाली हूँ अगले साल, क्योंकि क्वांटिको सीजन 2 और 3 के बीच में। अब वो कौन सी होंगी वो डिसाइड करने आई हूँ यहाँ पे, और जनवरी में I'll decide by January I should.
opportunity जो मुझे मिला है, it's a dream come true to be able to work with Shah Rukh Khan, and I hope that everybody loves the song. In 2 days release होगा, so I hope you guys love it. I met her during Diwali, and she's absolutely lovely, so beautiful, and I'm happy that she liked the song. Thank you, bye.
Actually, if I could, I would be home in Canada with my family, but my mom is here, so I'll celebrate it with my mom here in Bombay.
Jalika, you look so good. Any plans for back in Bollywood?
Oh, why? Thank you. No plans.
I actually don't know if I deserve it, but I'm really happy. I had like a strong competition, and I feel all the nominees were amazing. They were like great actors, and I really feel happy, and yeah, very excited.
आपसे आशिकी, आपसे मौसिकी, every night and day just me and you. तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार। मुबारका फिल्म जो है मैं कर रहा था, तो उसके लिए मैं ये लुक ट्राई कर रहा था, मैंने एक आध लुक, मगर अनीस बाज़मी साहब ने ये लुक को रिजेक्ट कर दिया कि उन्होंने बोला नहीं आपको सरदार ही बनना पड़ेगा, तो उस फिल्म में मैं पगड़ी पहनूंगा, तो पगड़ी के अंदर ये होगा शायद, बट अभी उगा रहा हूँ मैं बात। वेल जी मैम जी, बिल्कुल 2017 मेरी लाइफ में एक नई चीज़ लेके आ रहा है, राइजिंग स्टार। सो बहुत सारे इंडिया के जो कंटेस्टेंट हैं वो तो राइजिंग स्टार बनेंगे, खुद मैं भी बनूंगा।
Thank you so much. Superstar of tomorrow. Sorry? बहुत हम्बलिंग है क्योंकि जब स्टारडस्ट जो बहुत सालों से है ये अवार्ड आपको सम्मानित करता है तो बहुत महत्व रखता है। एंड इसका यही मतलब है कि एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है अगले साल के लिए, जहाँ बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया और जुड़वा 2 रिलीज़ होगी, तो उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि मैं अच्छा सिनेमा करूँ, अच्छी फिल्म करूँ। एंड बस मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि हर फिल्म जो मेरी रिलीज़ हो उसमें एक मैसेज हो, और वही कोशिश है बद्रीनाथ।
वेरी नाइस है एक्चुअली। 2016 अगर मैं गिनूँ तो ऐसे ही गिनूँगा जो फिल्में आई थी। सो आई थॉट आई हैड मेरी सबसे अच्छी थी अपनी फिल्म, फैन थी उसमें। एंड आई थिंक नए दिल में थोड़ा सा काम था और ईयर जिंदगी, एंड नाउ आई वांट टू रईस। सो इट्स बीन अ गुड ईयर, लिटिल हेक्टिक, अदरवाइज रियली नाइस ईयर एज एन एक्टर। कम हो गया मैं आया हूँ यार, अभी थोड़ा होस्ट करूँगा नहीं, मैं मुझे कुछ परफॉर्म करना है लेकिन शो के बाद करूँगा।
Thank you so much. Have a good, happy New Year to everybody. Have a good year.
मैं जा रहा हूँ।
He's coming here.
कलर्स, इन सबको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ इस पुरस्कार के लिए। ये फिल्म हमारे लिए और हम सब के लिए, समाज के लिए, देश के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण थी। उसका विषय जो था वो बहुत ही अहम था। आज के समाज में मैंने हमेशा ऐसा माना है कि बेटियां जो हैं वो, उनका एक स्थान जो है, उनको इज़्ज़त और सम्मान मिलनी चाहिए। और इस फिल्म के द्वारा हमने जो कुछ भी कहा वो मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत से लोगों के मन में घर किया उन्होंने। सबसे प्रथम बात जो ये थी कि जो इसका संवाद था, नो मीन्स नो, ये संवाद जो था इसने देश को एक तरह से एक चुनौती दी, एक नया वाक्य दिया। और इस बात की मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि लोगों ने इसकी प्रशंसा की, ख़ास तौर से हमारे देश की महिलाओं को। मेरा हमेशा मानना रहा है कि देश की महिलाओं जो हैं वो 50% शक्ति है हमारे देश की। दे मस्ट बी गिवन द डिग्निटी एंड द रिस्पेक्ट दैट दे डिज़र्व, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद अ कॉज थ्रू अ फिल्म दैट प्रोपेगेट्स दिस डायलॉग। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.
Thank you very much, but you know, I'll prefer in English.
Yeah, this is your first performance at an award ceremony.
It is.
How was it and how exciting was it?
It was amazing, you know. It was a great energy on the stage, and the dancers helped me so much. So I really enjoyed it.
Right. Your music album is also being highly appreciated.
मेरे लिए personally, a little slow, but I'm still waiting for a good script to come my way. 2017 is going to be wonderful. गजब का साल होने वाला है. There's a film called Mantra which we have finished and which is ready. That should come out, and I'm going to start making my new film in 2017. So a lot of good stuff. Thank you very much. Thank you.
दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे हैं. I think Alia and Neerja both are very good. So let's see.
For a good step, now in Pakistan, the ban which was on Hindi films, the ban on Hindi films in our neighboring country, Pakistan, has been lifted. So do you think this is a good step from their side?
I have no clue of this. हाँ? Well, for me, the country comes first always. So anything which disturbs my country, I would not favor that. Thank you. Yes, what was your question? You want the question? मैं plays ही plays कर रही हूँ और I'm producing acting now for my next Hindi film, which is Ladaku. It's a martial arts film which I've already told, and I'm preparing for it right now. Thank you.
As you know, I have been nominated tonight in the role of Best Actor in a Negative Role for my role in Mohenjo-daro. I'm very glad to be nominated in this category, especially by Stardust, because I was there when Stardust was born, when Nari Hira thought of it, when a lady called Shobha Rajadyaksha became the editor, the first editor, and she's now Shobha Day. So it's a long history I have with Stardust, and I'm very grateful to be nominated in this role, in this category of Best Actor in a Negative Role, and may the best man win. Thank you.
So Swara's been nominated, मैं नॉमिनेट हुई हूँ, फिल्म नॉमिनेट हुई है, तो अच्छी बात है कि ऑडियंसेस को अच्छी फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है. ऑडियंस को एक अच्छी फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है. मैं अभी बरेली की बर्फ़ी मैंने ख़त्म किया हुआ है, तो वो रिलीज़ होगा 21 जुलाई को. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, जंगली पिक्चर्स और BR फिल्म्स के साथ. आयुष्मान खुराना, कृति सेनन, राजकुमार है उसमें.
Once again, I want to say something. First of all, I want to apologize to all the media people for my birthday. I think काफ़ी chaos. I want to apologize to all of you guys for my birthday. Whatever happened on the 2nd of December, I'm really sorry about that. क्योंकि कुछ भी ऐसा प्लान नहीं था और अंदर मीडिया को मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि अंदर मीडिया जाए, लेकिन अंदर आने नहीं दिया. और मैं क्यों नहीं चाहूँगी कि मीडिया वाले अंदर ना हो. हर सेलिब्रिटी या हर आर्टिस्ट चाहता है कि उसकी फ़ोटोग्राफ पेपर पे आए, और आई एम फीलिंग वेरी बैड एंड आई एम प्रीटी सैडन्ड विद व्हाटएवर हैपेंड एंड आई एम apologizing with closed hands. No, but you know, many people are upset with me, I think especially the photographers. So I would like to apologize to all the photographers especially.
Hi.
How's everybody? My plans are I have 2 films in the pipeline. I'm very excited about my film Empreem, which is on Netflix now. Dua Zindagi is still in the theatre. It's doing very well. So I'm loving the appreciation. People are sending in lots of good wishes and love. So I'm really excited. Actually, the first time I'm here at the Stardust Sansui Stardust Awards. So I'm super excited.
मिस कर दूंगा मेरा सेगमेंट यार प्लीज प्लीज हो गया है शुरू सलमान खान को हाँ क्या करना है हाँ हैप्पी बर्थडे सलमान सर मैंने अभी तक आपको किसने बताया ऐसा कुछ नहीं नहीं
I'm just here to have a lot of fun. This is essentially my first award function that I'm attending. I'm attending with a very dear friend of mine, Ashley Rebello, who is again nominated tonight. So I will be cheering for him and just here to experience it and enjoy it.
We also saw that Instagram post where Ashley said that perhaps you would be in Dabangg 3 with Salman. Is that true? What are the talks like?
I can't say much about that, but you know, if dreams come true, then maybe.
So you would like to work with him?
100%. No, actually, 1000%. Thank you.
Well, I'm very excited. I think this is I would say this is my first award function which I'm attending. And last year I was down with fracture, so this is my first award function, and I'm very happily dressed and. आज शाम को मयूर गिरोत्रा जो डिज़ाइनर है उन्होंने मुझे स्टाइल किया है ये उनका इंस्पिरेशन है जैसे मैं आज लगी हूँ
बाइट्स में ख़त्म कर लिया यस
Daisy, what are you looking forward to at this award ceremony? What is going to be the most attractive part?
I'm just I think I'm looking for a good time, you know, entertaining myself and just enjoying the night, that's it.
Right. Salman's birthday is coming up then.
बड़ा अजीब सा सवाल पूछा यार मतलब मैं आया हूँ इसका मतलब है कि मायने रखते हैं रिकग्निशन आपके काम का रिकग्निशन होता है वो आपको अच्छा लगता है और आप यू नो इट्स ऑलवेज ऑनर टू बी नॉमिनेटेड
Simran's schedule has just gone over in the US. How was the entire experience of shooting with Kangna? And if you could just tell us.
And Kangna is a fantastic artist, a wonderful actor, and I mean we had a great time.
Right. So after winning multiple national awards, how was she?
Arun.
Very excited. It's Stardust, so I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to be super commercial and super full of masala.
उनका 50% डिप्लोमेटिक मतलब आप उसका कुछ बना देंगे तो मेरा अवार्ड वहाँ से छिन जाएगा। Well, I really feel whether you're nominated, not nominated, doesn't really matter. The question is that the people of this country have really taken forward to the film, which is Pink. I'm really glad that the impression that that film has had, especially it's gone to the UN, the critics have loved it, the film people associated with the industry have loved it. So I don't think you need any validation for an award. I've just finished Power Play with Excel with Richa Chadda, day before yesterday. Let's see how that goes.
You know, it's just good to be at these functions and be part of award season and be nominated. It feels nice. You know, it doesn't happen too often in your career, so it's a good start, and I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, so I'm shooting Bhavesh Joshi right now, directed by Vikramaditya Motwane, produced by Phantom Films. I'm in talks to do 2 films. One is a biopic, and one's I can't tell you, I can't talk about it, but you'll know soon. And another one is a slightly darker film. So I'm not sure about both of those films, but I'm really looking forward to them if they happen. But I'm only shooting Bhavesh Joshi right now.
अब से 2 साल पहले मुझे स्टारडस्ट बेस्ट एक्टर फॉर फिल्म आई एम कलाम के लिए मिला था, एंड विच आई थॉट वाज एब्सोल्युटली डिजर्विंग. यानी कि मुझे मिला, खुशी हुई. जिन लोगों ने वो फिल्म देखी थी उन्हें खुशी हुई कि अवार्ड एकदम जेन्युइन है. सो आई थिंक यू नो सम ऑफ द अवार्ड्स इन स्टारडस्ट आर ट्रूली वेरी गुड. बाकी तो ज़्यादातर अवार्ड्स में यही होता है कि इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ सिनेमा, कि सब लोग मिलते हैं, पिक्चर को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं.
So I just wish that the other people I've met, like I've gone and met all the directors, so that news doesn't seem to be making the headlines, but nothing official as yet. Identify with her is something which is very grave, because that's something which the incident that took place is extremely painful. Right after that incident, there was an incident in Bombay that took place where there was a gang rape in Churchgate that took place. So I feel that you know, we need to, as a society, do what we can, and these cases are very unfortunate. Thank you.
Looking for an award for her, that for sure.
The
सरप्राइज है, बट जी मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट एंड it's releasing on 31st of March and the movie's Naam Shabana. Sorry? क्या? जी ये मैंने सुना. Well, I wish him lots of love, health and happiness. So yeah.
And actually while this happening, nervous feel करती हैं आप या excited हैं आप?
बहुत excited. He's super funny. Like you just end up laughing while working with him, and yeah, which is great fun. And really, it's just amazing. Great experience to work with.
Tamil down south and one in Telugu as well, which is the remake of Sala Kadus in Telugu. So that, yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
I don't know really what's going to keep me excited, but I'm hoping to enjoy myself for sure. And yeah, that's it.
You're also marking your return to South cinema with Dhanush in VIP. So how exciting would that be for you? Tell us something more about it.
I'm a little apprehensive, to be honest. But yes, I am very, very excited. I love the fact that you know, I'm going back to Tamil after a very, very long time. But yeah, I'm excited about it.
How do you see Dhanush as an actor?
I think he's a very, very fine actor. I do think he's a very fine actor. I haven't seen Saundarya's work, but I think she looks, I mean, like as though she knows what she's talking about. So, and we get along very well. I think anything where the film industry gets a break, where the film industry, you know, where it's a positive sign, etc., is a good thing. So, I'm all for the film industry. Enough. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, everybody.
नीचे बैठो मैडम, मैडम नीचे बैठो।
अभी हम लोगों ने तय कर लिया है कि हम जहाँ जाएंगे रेड कारपेट में साथ में ही जाएंगे। See, for me it's extremely exciting because I get to work with my brother in this film. B, we are both doing negative roles. C, if you take us both out of the film, there is no film. D, both of us are working with Sanjay Gupta the first time. We both worked with him separately, but this is the first time. Sanjay Gupta is also like a third brother to us. D, it's got Hrithik Roshan in it. That's, you know, exhilarating. It's a film craft film. Rakesh ji, Gudu ji and me go back a very, very long way. So there are, you know, multiple reasons.
Jacqueline.
Do you want Tanishka?
विशेष इच्छा, वो भी नहीं मालूम। मैं कभी इच्छा करती नहीं किसी चीज़ की, भगवान जो देता है उसको हम ले लेते हैं बस। खुद का ऐसा ये नहीं होता कि हमको ये चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए। जो आता है गाना गाते गए, आज तक गा रहे, 72 साल हो गए गा रही हूँ और गाती रहूँगी। तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने कुछ ये मांगा है भगवान से, उसने दिया है मुझे।
I want him to
the reprised version of Sara Zamana, and he and Hrithik Roshan really appreciated my work, my talent. I think that's what really matters. Yes, I'm here to promote Sara Zamana and also to present an award, so it's going to be a great evening.
बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है, ये हमारे 2.5 साल का सपना अभी पूरा हो रहा है। 7 अप्रैल को फिल्म रिलीज़ है, पोस्टर आज रिलीज़ किया, कल प्रोमो आउट होगा। अनुराग बासु, प्रीतम, कटरीना और मैंने बहुत मेहनत से ये फिल्म बनाई है, बहुत प्यार से बनाई है, दिल से बनाई है। एक फैमिली फिल्म है, बच्चों की फिल्म है और यही विश करता हूँ कि लोगों को पसंद आए। आप सबकी मदद चाहिए कि ये इस फिल्म को आप एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव तरीके से बाहर प्रेजेंट करें एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट।
पहले आपको ये बता दें कि हम एक घर में नहीं रहते हैं, हम अलग अलग रहते हैं, तो ये सिर्फ कोइंसिडेंस है, इत्तेफाक है कि हम एक ही वक्त आए और हम आपके सामने हाजिर हैं। ऐसा क्यों, मतलब कि
कंप्लेंट नहीं है, इनसे और खूबसूरत इंसान इस दुनिया में बना ही नहीं है।
Yes, my book is ready. Book should be out on, we are targeting the Chennai Literary Festival. That's on the 16th or 17th of January. So the target is that. I hope we are on target. ये इतना चिल्ला रहे, कौन सुनेगा? वो जब आएगी तब पूछ रहे हो ना, अब क्यों पूछ रहे हो? अभी वो वक्त नहीं है पूछने का। हाँ जी, क्या पूछ रहे थे आप? जोर से बोलिए, मैं कम सुनता हूँ। That has got nothing to do with you at this point of time. You talk of something what is happening now. मुझे नहीं पता अभी तक, जब देखेंगे तब बताऊंगा मैं आपको। तब तक शांत से रहिए, बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ से। थैंक यू। जय हिंद। बेले अवार्ड अब साहब 44 साल 44 years हो गए यार, क्या it's an event you must go to. It's an event you must go to. God bless. अभी तुम लोग बहुत मुश्किल है।
I also keep hearing always what to do. But you're not bored about it, how? So then if anybody is single and eligible, they should be together. And see, you're going to ask me the same questions when I'm promoting also. Very good, yeah. I've finished almost most of the talkies of the film. We're left with about 3 songs. And this was my fastest film, I think. एक schedule में 45 days में almost पूरी film खत्म करना. But it was so much fun, such great people, awesome actors, and it's a script which is very well written and something which is very different for me to do. So I totally enjoyed it.
Christmas and New Year plans?
No plans. I'm in Mumbai only for now, and mostly my plans are more last minute because I never plan well. So
I don't know what to say. I'm very thankful that people are recognizing my performance, but I don't know how to accept it or think about it.
New Year plans?
Yeah, it's my dad's birthday. तो हम उनका birthday जो है वो Christmas पे गिरता है. So we actually always do a family thing.
You also vlogged Anil Kapoor's music. He's looking at least 20 years.
Yeah, he is. I think so. मैं उनको कहती रहती हूँ कि उन्हें one day or the other he has to start behaving like my father. Yay! He's looking handsome also. He deserves it. And more for him in the future.
I think it's really exciting to be here. This is the season of awards, and every award has its charm. So this is actually going to be my first Stardust Award. So I'm quite excited about it.
Ma'am, also, your iconic song Amma Amma has been remade for OK Chalu. I'm sure you must be aware of it.
Yeah, I'm very keen to see what they've done with the song. I hope it's as good as the original.
Do you think iconic song should be remade, should be done?
If it's done well, why not? But if it's not done well, then I do object.
And what if I don't get it? They'll come and catch you and beat you.
But no, are you looking forward to the award ceremony and how excited are you? What are you looking forward to?
I am looking forward to it. I'm feeling a little unwell, so energy is a little low. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the evening. काफी धमाकेदार it's sounding.
2016 has been a great year for you. What would you like to say? How do you
It's been a fantastic year for me, you're right. I've had 2 very big films this year, and both have done well at the box office, and also my work has been appreciated. So I'm feeling very grateful.
film का नाम इसके अंदर इस film The Ring is it the
कुछ सोचो नहीं डिसाइड हुआ, कुछ सोचो, बोलो मुझे.
How different was it acting with Shah Rukh Khan?
Hey, I'm just saying bye. I won't get to see you again.
Hi man, how are you?
How different was the experience to be directed by Imtiaz Ali and having Shah Rukh Khan as your superstar opposite you?
It's a divine experience because they're both so incredible, at what they do, and of course I share a very good rapport with Shah Rukh, so I feel very at ease when I'm with him. And Imtiaz is a dream director for any actor, so I really enjoyed myself. Next year. No plans. Okay, thank you so much.
New Year wish, Anushka. Anushka, New Year wish दे दीजिए please.
Hi, here's wishing everybody a very happy New Year. तेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल 2 लफ्जों में बयां ना हो पाए.
Thank you, you too. Happy New Year. Bye.